41 Surprising Uses for Baking Soda. Did you know that baking soda has many more functions than just being a culinary ingredient? This white powder has countless uses that can make your life easier in ways you never thought possible. Today I bring you 41 ways to use it so you can take advantage of all its properties. Remember to subscribe and activate the bell to continue receiving tricks like these. Write in the comments what you use baking soda for. Let's get started. 1. Natural alternative to deodorant. Some commercial deodorants can cause irritation or contain harmful chemicals. Did you know that you can prevent bad underarm odor without resorting to these products? Baking soda is an effective and natural option. Mix a little with water and apply it to your skin to combat odors. 2. Teeth whitening. Teeth whitening products can be expensive and harsh. If you're looking for an affordable, natural alternative, baking soda can help. Use it as a toothpaste to safely reduce stains and lighten the color of your teeth. 3. Sponge sanitizer. With frequent use, kitchen sponges accumulate bacteria and bad odors. Instead of throwing them away prematurely, you can soak them in hot water with baking soda to disinfect them and prolong their useful life. 4. Refrigerator odor eliminator. It is common for refrigerators to give off unpleasant odors that are difficult to eradicate. If every time you open the door you notice an unpleasant aroma, place a container with baking soda inside to neutralize it. 5. Jewelry cleaning product. Keeping your jewelry shiny can require expensive maintenance. If you notice that it has lost its luster and you don't want to spend money on a professional cleaning, prepare a paste with baking soda and water. Rub it gently and it will look like new again. 6. Meat tenderizer. Some pieces of meat can be too tough and difficult to chew. To solve this problem, sprinkle baking soda on the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes and then cook it. You will notice the difference in the texture. 7. Facial scrub. Many scrubs can be expensive or too harsh for sensitive skin. If you prefer a natural method, combine baking soda with water and apply it to your face in circular motions. You'll end up with softer, fresher skin. 8. Coffee and tea stain remover. Coffee and tea residue often stain cups and glasses, leaving marks that are difficult to remove. To remove them effortlessly, rub baking soda on the surface with a damp sponge. 9. Drain cleaner. It is common for drains to become clogged and generate water accumulation and bad odors. To clear them, pour baking soda followed by vinegar. The effervescent reaction will help clean the pipe in a few minutes. 10. Insect bite relief. Insect bites can be itchy and uncomfortable. To soothe irritation, make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the affected skin. 11. Odor neutralizer for shoes. If your shoes give off an unpleasant smell, you can easily solve the problem. Before going to sleep, sprinkle baking soda inside and the next day it will have absorbed the bad odors. 12. Kitchen cleaning product. Kitchen surfaces tend to accumulate grease and dirt that is difficult to remove. For easy cleaning, mix baking soda with water and scrub the affected areas. 13. Bleach. Over time, white clothes can turn yellow. To keep them in good condition without resorting to expensive chemicals, add half a cup of baking soda to the wash and you will recover their whiteness. 14. Heartburn solution. Heartburn can be annoying and persistent. To relieve it, dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it to neutralize the acidity. 15. Treatment for dry feet. The skin on your feet can become cracked and rough. To soften it without spending on expensive treatments, soak your feet in warm water with baking soda and you will notice the change. 16. Natural degreaser. Grease stuck to pots and pans can be difficult to remove, even with strong detergents. To make cleaning easier, sprinkle baking soda on the surface, add hot water and scrub. 17. Carpet odor eliminator. With daily use, carpets can become impregnated with unpleasant odors. To freshen them without having to replace them, sprinkle baking soda on them, let them sit for a few minutes, then vacuum up the residue. The unpleasant odor will dissipate. 18. Scalp scrub. A dry or product-laden scalp can be itchy. If you feel like you need a deeper cleanse and conventional products aren't working, add a small amount of baking soda to your regular shampoo to remove impurities and residue. 19. Stainless steel polish. Stainless steel surfaces can lose their shine and become dull over time. If your appliances and sinks are no longer sparkling, mix baking soda and water together and apply it to the surfaces to restore their original shine. 20. Oven glass cleaner. Grease and stains stuck to the oven door can be difficult to remove. If scrubbing still doesn't work, apply baking soda with a damp sponge to effortlessly clean the glass. 21. Towel softener. Over time, towels can become stiff and rough. To restore their softness and fluffiness, add half a cup of baking soda to the rinse cycle of your washing machine. 22. Toothbrush sanitizer. With daily use, toothbrushes can accumulate bacteria and residue. If you don't feel comfortable using a toothbrush that might be dirty, soak it in water with baking soda overnight to sanitize it. 23. Dry nail treatment. Having brittle, dehydrated nails can make them look unhealthy. To strengthen them without resorting to expensive treatments, soak them in a mixture of baking soda and water. 24. Odor eliminator in litter boxes. Cat litter boxes can generate strong odors that invade the house. To control the problem without affecting your pet, sprinkle baking soda on the litter and you will neutralize the bad smell. 25. Tile grout cleaner. Mold and grime build up on tile grout over time. Despite frequent cleaning, it can still look grimy. Scrub a mixture of baking soda and water with a brush to remove embedded grime. 26. Descaler for irons. With use, irons can accumulate residue that is then transferred to clothing. To prevent your clothes from getting stained, rub baking soda on the surface of the iron and you will remove any residue that is stuck to it. 27. Sink disinfectant. Kitchen sinks are a source of grease, bacteria, and bad smells. If you're worried about them being a source of contamination, sprinkle baking soda on them and scrub with a sponge to thoroughly clean and eliminate unpleasant odors. 28. Makeup brush cleaner. Makeup brushes can retain product residue and bacteria over time. To effectively clean them, soak them in warm water with baking soda and you'll remove any accumulated residue. 29. Shower curtain mold remover. Constant humidity in the bathroom encourages mold to form on curtains. To clean them without having to replace them, rub baking soda on the affected areas and see how the stains are removed. 30. Color enhancer for colored clothing. With washing, colored clothes can lose their shine and become dull. To keep them vibrant without using harsh products, add a cup of baking soda to the wash. 31. Upholstery odor neutralizer. Over time, upholstered furniture absorbs odors, especially if there are pets or children in the home. To avoid spending money on professional cleaning, sprinkle baking soda on the upholstery. Let it sit for a few minutes, then vacuum. 32. Cleaning method for stuffed animals. Plush toys tend to accumulate dust and dirt, but washing them can cause them to become deformed. To clean them without damaging them, put them in a bag with baking soda, shake them well, and then remove the excess dust. 33. Baby clothes cleaner. Regular detergents can be too harsh for babies' delicate skin. To avoid irritation, use baking soda when washing baby clothes, ensuring a gentle clean without harsh chemicals. 34. Sweat stain remover. Sweat marks on white clothes can be difficult to remove. If conventional detergents don't work, apply a mixture of baking soda and water to the stain before washing and it will disappear more easily. 35. Red wine stain treatment. Wine stains can be tricky to remove from carpets, furniture, or clothing. To get rid of them quickly, sprinkle baking soda on the stain, add a little water, and rub gently. 36. Soothe a sore throat. Sore throats caused by colds or allergies can be annoying. To soothe them without resorting to medication, gargle with baking soda dissolved in warm water. 37. Barbecue grill cleaner. After a barbecue, your grill can be covered in grease and stubborn food residue. To clean it without having to scrub for hours, sprinkle baking soda on it and scrub it with a damp sponge. 38. Odor eliminator for car mats. Over time, car mats accumulate dirt and bad odors. Instead of paying for a professional cleaning, sprinkle baking soda on the mats, let it sit, and then vacuum it up to eliminate the bad smell. 39. Bottle and thermos disinfectant. Reusable bottles can retain odors and bacteria that are difficult to remove with soap and water alone. To clean them effectively, fill them with hot water and baking soda, let them sit for a couple of hours, and rinse them out. 40. Fruit and vegetable preservative. Fresh produce can deteriorate quickly due to surface residue. To prolong its freshness, wash it with water and baking soda, removing pesticides and impurities. 41. Shower curtain disinfectant. Over time, shower curtains can accumulate mold and dirt. To clean them without having to replace them, wash them in the washing machine with baking soda and they will be disinfected. Baking soda is a versatile product that is useful for many household tasks. From eliminating bad odors to relieving discomfort, this white powder has multiple benefits. What is the way you have used baking soda that has surprised you the most? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to discover more tips that will help you keep your home clean and healthy.